Hi everyone, in this video I will show you what does mentions mean on Twitter. So basically if you open your Twitter and then you go to mentions feature option, you will see there under notifications the people who mentioned you in a specific comment or retweet or something like that. So as you can see, you just have to go to notifications and then tap mentions and you will see your name here once mentioned. Now what does this mean? So on Twitter, a mention occurs when a post includes the at username of another account within the text. Yours is located under Notifications tab. Mentions are frequently used to interact with others, tag or address individual people, start conversations, or draw attention to a specific message. Any post that includes another person's username anywhere within the body of the post is considered as a mention. So that's it. Now, of course, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Twitter in order for you to enjoy this feature. For example, you were mentioned by someone in that specific section or comment, and then when you tap that mentions, you will see your name right here with this blue color. So that's it. So you will be mentioned on a comment section, retweets, or anywhere as long as your username is included. So basically, that's it. That is the meaning of mention on Twitter application or platform. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.